So you are not seeing this reshare or repost button on any of your reels. It worked fine in the past, but now it has disappeared suddenly. So what is the fix and how you can get your repost button back? For that purpose, you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android, and go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Instagram application by tapping on this little update button right here. An outdated Instagram application may be the biggest reason that you are missing some kind of features. But if your app is already up to date, then the second most common reason is your Instagram account is outdated. For updating that, you have to tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen, and here under time management, you'll get an option update Instagram. As soon as you tap on it, it will ask you to update all of your Instagram features. So simply tap on update now. Your Instagram app will be updated. You'll see a new interface like this, and you'll get your reshare button back. But if this is also not the case, and even after updating your account you are unable to see the reshare or repost button, then the third thing you have to do is you have to open up your settings and scroll through this page, go to apps and search here Instagram. Tap on Instagram, and if you are on Android, you'll get an option here to clear the cache and storage of your Instagram application. So simply clear the cache and storage and then see if you are able to see the reshare or repost button. But if clearing the cache and storage also didn't help, then go to the Instagram application, tap and hold on it, tap on delete app and simply delete Instagram application, and after that go to the App Store or Play Store again and install Instagram application again. Reinstalling Instagram application also come up with many features that were missing in the past. Now tell me in the comments that which thing worked for you, and did you get your reshare and repost button back or not? Thank you so much.